slow cooker Carnitas tacos. Ingredients: 2½ teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 1 4-pound pork shoulder, 1 large onion, coarsely chopped, 6 cloves garlic, 1 orange, juiced, 3 limes, juiced. Directions: make the rub by combining the salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, chili powder, and oregano. Coat the pork shoulder, also sometimes called a pork butt or Boston butt, with the rub. Spray the crock of a large slow cooker with nonstick cooking spray. Add the onion, garlic, orange juice, and lime juice to the bottom. Add the pork shoulder. Cover and cook on low for about 8 hours, or high for 4 to 5. Remove the pork from the slow cooker and shred the meat with 2 forks. Return the meat to the slow cooker with the juices and mix to combine. Add salt and pepper to taste, if desired. When ready to serve, preheat the oven to broil. Put about half of the shredded pork on a large rimmed baking sheet and place under the broiler, watching it closely, for 3 to 4 minutes or until the meat starts to get crispy. Repeat with the other half of the meat. Serve in tacos, burritos, quesadillas, burrito bowls,